Mercedes-Benz Carson Vans. The name alone screams luxury and innovation. Known worldwide as the pinnacle of premium automotive engineering, Mercedes has always been a step ahead. But what if I told you their latest project isn't just pushing the envelope, it's tearing it wide open? This year's strong performance is not just about profits, it's fueled by a powerhouse product lineup. And just as the world rushes headfirst into electric vehicles, Mercedes may have just thrown down the biggest wildcard yet, a move that could completely upend the EV landscape. So what exactly is Mercedes working on? Let's dive in. In a move that's rattling the auto world, the CEO of Mercedes-Benz made a stunning claim. Their upcoming engine could obliterate the EV market. That's not just bold, it's a direct shot at the global race toward full electrification. While nearly every other automaker is scrambling to retire combustion engines and go fully electric, Mercedes is carving out a new path, one that could redefine what the future of driving actually looks like. But before we get into what makes this new engine so special, we need to take a step back and understand how Mercedes got here in the first place. Because to see the future, we first need to understand the legacy of innovation that brought them to this moment. Mercedes-Benz is, honestly, one of the most iconic names in the automotive world, representing a legacy of engineering excellence, performance, and luxury. Its origins trace back to the late 19th century when two visionary engineers, Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler, laid the foundation for what would become one of the most influential car manufacturers in history. The company's journey, from the first automobile to dominating motorsport and luxury car markets, demonstrates a commitment to innovation that, well, definitely continues today. The official founding of Mercedes-Benz happened in 1926, but its history goes back even further. Karl Benz is credited with inventing the first gasoline-powered car in 1886, the Benz Patent Motor Wagon. This vehicle, with its lightweight frame, single-cylinder engine, and rudimentary steering system, is widely considered the first automobile in history. Around the same time, Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach were developing their own high-speed gasoline engine, which they later installed in a carriage, effectively creating a motorized vehicle of their own. Though the two inventors worked independently at first, their paths eventually converged. In 1926, the companies founded by Benz and Daimler merged, forming Mercedes-Benz. The brand was named after Daimler's famous Mercedes models, a name inspired by the daughter of Emil Jelinek, a key investor and business partner. From this point forward, Mercedes-Benz established itself as a leader in automotive innovation, consistently pushing the boundaries of technology and design. Yet Mercedes-Benz's engineering expertise extends far beyond road cars. The company has a long and storied history in motorsport, using racing as a platform to test and develop new technology. One of the first major victories came in the early 1900s when Daimler-powered cars won prestigious events like the Gordon Bennett Cup. By the 1930s, Mercedes-Benz had established itself as a dominant force in Grand Prix racing, particularly with the legendary Silver Arrows, a nickname given to their sleek aerodynamic race cars. The turbocharger design, featuring a twin-scroll configuration, ensures that exhaust pulses are efficiently utilized, maximizing performance and efficiency. The engine's valve train employs dual overhead camshafts operating 4 valves per cylinder. This setup allows for precise control of valve timing and lift, optimizing airflow and combustion efficiency. The inclusion of larger exhaust valves further enhances the engine's breathing capabilities, contributing to its high specific output. To manage the increased thermal loads associated with high-performance operation, the M139 is equipped with advanced cooling solutions. An electric water pump operates independently of engine speed, ensuring consistent cooling performance under all conditions. This system maintains optimal operating temperatures, thereby enhancing reliability and performance. According to Mercedes insiders, the company is embarking on a bold strategy to revolutionize the automotive landscape. In a move that has surprised many, Mercedes-Benz plans to release as many as 19 new combustion engine models, alongside 17 battery electric cars by the end of 2027. Central to this strategy is the development of a next-generation 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, which is expected to incorporate advanced electrification technologies, potentially in the form of a plug-in hybrid or mild hybrid system. Such integration aims to enhance performance while maintaining the distinctive characteristics that enthusiasts associate with Mercedes' V8 engines. The exact specifications remain confidential, but industry insiders suggest that this powertrain could debut in upcoming models like the CL63. But you see, Mercedes' renewed focus on internal combustion engines is not merely a nostalgic nod to the past but a calculated response to current market dynamics. The company has observed that despite the global push toward electrification, consumer demand for EVs has not met initial projections. Factors such as high costs, limited infrastructure, and range anxiety continue to impede widespread EV adoption. By refining and advancing ICE technology, Mercedes aims to offer consumers a compelling alternative that combines traditional performance with modern efficiency and possibly crash the EV industry, which is already falling behind. To support this initiative, Mercedes-Benz is implementing cost-cutting measures and localizing production to avoid potential trade tensions and tariffs. The company aims to reduce production costs by 10% by 2027, building upon a previous cost reduction goal of 20% between 2019 and 2025. And that's not all. One of the biggest challenges for the EV industry has been delivering the same level of performance, reliability, and convenience that combustion engines have perfected over decades. Mercedes' new engine threatens to disrupt the entire EV market because it offers a best-of-both-worlds scenario: high performance, improved fuel efficiency, and potential hybridization that eliminates range anxiety. Unlike EVs, which rely on charging infrastructure that is still underdeveloped in many regions, this new engine allows consumers to refuel quickly while still benefiting from electrification advancements. But what if there's more to this engine than Mercedes is letting on? Some insiders suggest that the company has been experimenting with ultra-efficient combustion technology that could push fuel economy to unprecedented levels, making hybrids even more practical than fully electric vehicles. Others say that Mercedes has developed a revolutionary energy recovery system that rivals the regenerative braking used in EVs, further closing the efficiency gap. If these theories hold true, this new engine might set back EV adoption by years. Automakers like Tesla and Rivian have already felt the pressure with slowing sales and concerns about profitability. If Mercedes' strategy succeeds, other legacy manufacturers may follow suit, pivoting back to combustion technology rather than continuing the push toward full electrification. And here's the real kicker. Mercedes has yet to reveal the full extent of what this engine is capable of. In the end, do you think this shift could trigger a ripple effect across the industry, forcing even first brands to reconsider their approach? Let us know in the comments.